The next question I get asked a lot is, should I hire a property manager? So, it depends. I think that if there's so much to learn about property management that it's probably a good idea, in my personal opinion, to hire one at least in the beginning. And you can then observe how your property manager finds your tenants, does the marketing, how they manage your tenants, how they manage when your tenants need repairs in the home, how they manage when your tenants don't pay on time, how they collect the rent, how they manage if you have to evict a tenant, and basically get a Crash 101 course on property management. I think it's a good idea in the beginning to hire a property manager, observe how they handle things, and this will give you a good idea on how you can go ahead and start managing your property. Unless you're going to go out and get educated, hire a mentor. There are mentors out there, like myself. I've consulted, as we talked about at the beginning of the show, people on this type of topic. I have friends that are mentors and consultants on this type of topic as well, here locally and nationally. Unless you're going to hire a mentor who's going to hold your hand through that process, I think it's a good idea to hire a property manager, just because there's so many things that you need to learn in regards to property management. And then once you start to feel comfortable, or again, unless you hire a mentor who's teaching you this, then at that particular point, I think it's probably very manageable to manage a small portfolio of your own property, which can save you some money, maybe not save you headache, but it can definitely save you some money by not having to pay a property manager if you're comfortable with that particular process. Now, I like property managers. I think if you find a good one, they're worth their weight in gold. So I personally hire property managers. It just works better for me. They're better at it than I am. That is their specialty. We all have our specialty. We may know a lot about a lot of different things, but we all definitely have our specialty. Property managers, when you find a good one, they're definitely, like I said, they're worth their weight in gold. And so me personally, I like hiring property managers, but I have a lot of friends that manage their own properties simply because they enjoy it, they like it, they're good at it, and it saves them some money.